Hey guys, this is Amalia from To Die For MTL, and today I'll be showing you how to make these super cute and super dainty cake pops with flowers. For the purpose of this video, I decided to use white chocolate with white fondant for the flowers and some little sprinkles. They are silver. Guys, this is your project, so use whatever chocolate you have on hand, whatever color fondant, and whatever color sprinkle to make it your own or to match your theme. I'm just here to show you the process, so let's get started. So there you have it, guys, the floral dainty cake pops. Like this video and you'd like to see more content like this, don't forget to hit subscribe, and if you actually end up making these, please leave your comments down below. I'd love to hear your experience. That's all for today, guys. Happy baking!